Hi everyone, my name is Chef Jeremy Lovell and today I'm going to share a special recipe with you guys. Alright, we're just going to add our melted butter to our graham crackers, blended graham crackers, and our sugar. Try to get it mixed evenly. After mixing, we're going to put over in our pan and bake for 8 minutes. Use our offset spatula to even out. And we are allowed to bake in our oven at 325 for 8 minutes. We're going to have our cream cheese here. I prefer the cream cheese at room temperature. Reason being it mixes easier. Also we have our butter at room temperature, which also mixes easier. So we're going to add our cream cheese. Then we're going to add our butter on low speed. Right after we have our mixture nice and fluffy, we want to add our sugar. And make sure and get that nice cream in there. Make sure all the sugar granules are melted because you don't want to taste the grainy taste in your cream cheese mix. Add our accents. Eggs. Right, and then we add our lemon juice, our fresh lemon juice. After adding lemon juice, you don't want to beat for too long, or you don't want the lemon juice to start cooking our eggs. That can also cause the mixture to kind of coagulate on you. Right, by now our crust should be finished. We'll allow the crust to cool a little bit before we add our cream cheese mixture to it. Right, now we're going to make complete our passion fruit cheesecake. Our crust is finished. As you can see, it's in a pan foil below because we're going to bake it in a water bath. The reason for the water bath is to help the surface of the cheesecake to not form any cracks or dry out a little bit too much. Right, we don't want a dry cheesecake. We want a nice textured, moist cheesecake. Right, we're going to pour our butter, our cream cheese butter. Right, kind of level it out a little bit. Right, we're going to foil the top. Also, we're going to foil the top of the cheesecake. Not for the whole process of the baking, but halfway through. And then we'll add our water to our pan as we're going into the oven. Preheat the oven at 350 and let bake for 55 minutes. We add a little water. Reason for the water is to help with the passion fruit not stick into the pot. Right, we allow the passion fruit to boil first before we add our sugar and our cornstarch. Right, we use our whisk to kind of separate the segments from the seeds. As the liquid gets hotter, you'll find the seeds start to separate. Right, now our mixture is brought up to temperature. We add a little more water to it. We whisk. As you can already start to see the seeds separating. Right, at this point we add our sugar. Yes, and then we add our cornstarch. We gradually add the cornstarch because we don't want the sauce thickened too much. But just enough to have to form that nice glaze on top of the cheesecake. Right, when our glaze is finished, we are allowed to cool. And then we pour over our baked cheesecake. Passion fruit cheesecake.